Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick video for you today. As you see, the tree is still standing. We've tried 12 gauge, a couple hundred rounds, 6 pounds of explosive targets, and she still stands. I think part of the problem I'm running into is that it's not a tree in its traditional form. It's more like a pole. It's light on top. There's no limbs hanging off to pull it weight down. I think a traditional tree with limbs would have already probably fallen by now. There's no weight at the top, so I guess I'm just going to have to cut it completely in half. So today we're going to try something a little bit different. The 12 gauge didn't cut it, but maybe the AK-47 can cut it down. So let me get the camera set up and we'll see. We'll give it another try. Be right back. Ouch. Got him. All right, guys, finally, the mighty Kalashnikov took him down. Tough old tree. But at the end of the day, the AK put him down. Just finished him off, I guess. Between the 12 gauge and the exploding targets. That was a tough old tree. But it is no more. That was the fun part. Now the unfun part begins. Cleaning up this mess. Oh well. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this series as much as I did. Had a good time. You got any dead trees on your property, I highly recommend getting a little creative and taking it down. But alright guys, well, I appreciate you watching. Y'all have a good one.